मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। एयरटेल, सुजलॉन, SBI, LIC, IOC, VBL, RVNL to post earning next week. Check date. Midweek on Wednesday, February 4, focus would be on Tata Group's retail powerhouse, Trent and the utility major Tata Power. The Bajaj Group would also report it is the earning which Bajaj Financial and Bajaj holding the declaring numbers. They also cover result from the Suzlon Energy, Rail Vikas Nigam, Godrej Properties, Berger Paints, Industry and others. The board of several major conglomerates and the mid-cap major are said to announce their financial result for the Qatar ended December 31, 2025 in the week starting February 2, 2026. The action kick-off of Monday, February 2 with a spotlight on the auto giant Hyundai Motor India. Investors will also take the performance of the major telecom infrastructure company Indus Towers and the newest Fintech platform PB Fintech PolicyBazaar. The day also feature results from UPL, Thermax, Aarti Industries and others. दोस्तों आज आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस कर रहे हैं Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। और आप लोगों ने देखा एयरटेल, सुजलॉन, SBI, LIC, IOC, VBL, RVNL to post earning next week. Check date. Midweek on Wednesday, February 4, focus would be on Tata Group, retail powerhouse, trade and utility major Tata Power. Tata Bajaj Group would also report it is earning. The Bajaj Financial and Bajaj Holding declaring the numbers. They also cover results from the Suzlon Energy, Rail Vikas Nigam, Godrej Properties, Berger Paints, Industries and others. The board of several major conglomerates and the mid-cap major are said to announce their financial result for the Qatar ended December 31, 2025 in the week starting February 2, 2026. The action kick of Monday, February 2, which the spotlight on the auto giant Hyundai Motor India. Investors will also track the performance of the major telecom infrastructure company